Crimp tear is one of my favorite hairstyles, and this is yesterday's crimp tear. And it looks this good because my crimper is amazing. This is my 1-inch barrel crimper. It has the LED screen. You can go up or down in temperature, however hot you need. It's got the little stand so it's not just sitting on your countertop, which is great. And it has this little side piece that helps you from burning yourself. So I really don't even need to touch this up, but I'm just gonna show you how quick and easy it is. I have it up to 210 Celsius, so pretty hot, and you don't even have to leave it in place for very long to get the crimps that you want. The longer you leave it, the first time you crimp it, probably the better it will look the next day. But I don't use hairspray or anything, and again, I slept in this last night and it still looks amazing. I'm not really a fan of the really tight crimp, so the 1-inch barrel is perfect. It gives me the exact wave that I want. So if you're looking for a new crimper and you like the bigger style crimp, this is your one. Perfect.